So the first step we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up our door here. And then from there, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make sure that our emergency stop is pulled out. We can go ahead and verify that our throttle is unlocked and ready to be used. And we're going to make sure that our speed here is on to manual. We're going to make sure our set point adjustment is at the midpoint, right in the middle. And then if it is under 28 degrees, we're going to turn our switch here to glow and hold it on glow for no more than 20 seconds. And after that, you can go ahead and turn it to run. And if it's not under 28 degrees, you can just go ahead and turn it to run. Once we're done there, we're going to go ahead and start. So you're going to hold your safety relay in, and then you're going to push the start button. Once it starts up, you can go ahead and release the start while continuing to hold the safety relay. You're going to watch for your engine oil pressure. Once it gets to 20 psi or higher, you can go ahead and release your safety relay. And then you're going to unlock your throttle, pull it out to where you're going to be at 800 to 900 RPM. And then you will lock your throttle by twisting this here. And once your throttle's locked at 800 to 900 RPM, you're going to go ahead and walk over and open your suction port and then open your discharge port. After that warm-up period is done, you're going to go ahead and come over here, unlock the throttle up to 1500 RPM, and then lock your throttle. And once your throttle is locked, you can go ahead and start doing operations. So you will conduct G-Love. You will check your gauges. You're going to check your ammeter so that it's at 0. Your voltmeter, make sure you're in the green. Check your other gauges, make sure everything looks good. You're going to walk around the whole pump, check for leaks, check for unusual sounds, and check for vibrations. Make sure everything's good. Once you are done with operations, you're going to go ahead and come over and unlock the throttle. You're going to throttle down to 1000 RPM and lock your throttle. You're going to let it cool down at 1000 RPM for 1 minute. And while doing so, you can go ahead and close the discharge port first and then close the suction port.
Where's the 1000 RPM at?
The 1000 RPM is right here on the tachometer. So you'll idle down to 1000 right there. And once you've let it cool down, you've closed your discharge port, you closed your suction port, you're going to go ahead and come over and you're going to stop by hitting the stop. You're going to hit your emergency stop. You're going to turn off your throttle and lock it, and you will turn your switch here to off position and go ahead and close the door.
Show me where the suction and the discharge are.
Right over here. So this is your suction side of the pump right here. And if you come over here, this will be your discharge side of the pump right here. So these are your discharges.
Where's your vent valve?
Vent valve is going to be right here. You'll open the vent valve, and it'll come out this hose. It's right in here, comes down right here. And you're good to close the vent valve. Once fuel starts coming out, you've released all the pressure inside, all the air.
All right.